In this video, I'm going to show an example of an Instagram code calculator for video editing services, but this kind of code calculator can be useful for other businesses as well, such as home improvement contractors who want to provide some kind of codes, or moving and transportation companies, printing and design companies, web development and digital marketing agencies, insurance companies, real estate agents and property managers, and also even catering and event planning companies as well. So without any further ado, let me explain how this look like. So as I mentioned, this is for video editing services. So when someone send a particular keyword on Instagram, so actually this can work on Instagram Messenger, web chat and any other channels as well, but in this demo I am going to show a demo on the Instagram channel only. So we send this kind of message: hey there, simply provide us with some basic details about your project and we will give you an instant code tailored to your needs. Would you like to learn more? Let's go. So basically we are asking, since it is about the video editing services, we are asking the length of the video over here, and also we are asking if they have any existing assets which we can use for the video. If they say yes, no, and also we are asking if they would like us to provide the YouTube video SEO services as well. So basically what happens is that when they enter, we set the video code value as 0, and based on the answers, so suppose if they tap on this button 1 minute, we will increase the value by 30. So if it is 1 to 2 minutes, then the cost will be higher, so we increase by 50. So likewise, if it's more than 10 minutes, we increase by 200, something like that. So I will show the demo in a minute. And likewise, if they don't have the assets, if they have the assets, there is no increasement in the price. If they don't have the assets, we actually increase it by 50, as we are the particular company has to utilize their own resources to create the particular assets for that video. And also when regards to YouTube video SEO services, if they say yes, if they would, we will increase by 100. If they no, we will simply do any kind of increments over there. And also we actually see if that particular person who interacting with our chatbot has the email. So if they don't have the email, we simply ask, before I give you the instant code, please enter your email address. So that's a great way to ask the email address, because they actually gone through this whole questions, and we can simply ask them the email address just to provide the code. So after they enter the email address, we send all the information such as the video length, the assets, the YouTube SEO, and based on that we also send them the video code as well. So if they are not interested, they can recalculate as well. So let me show the demo over here. So basically this particular flow, which is called as code calculator, is triggered using this particular keyword code. So let's start the demo over here. So let me type as this particular keyword code over here. So it will send me the exact message over here. So let me press let's go. So it asks me for the desired length of your video. So let me choose more than 10 minutes. And next it will ask if I have any assets. So I will say yes. And next it will ask about the SEO. So I don't need those kind of services. So I will press no. So now it asks for the email address over here. So test@gmail.com, something like that. So now after I provide the email address, it will generate the code for me instantly. So it says the video length I choose is more than 10 minutes. The assets is yes, and I have the assets, and YouTube SEO no, and the project estimate is $200, it says. So if I showed over here, so basically what I did was I choose more than 10 minutes, it should add 200 over here, and other things I choose yes, so there is no way to increase the cost of the project. And also here I put no, so there is no ways. So that's what I get, that's why I get 200 over here. So basically they can actually recalculate as well. So if I press this button recalculate over here, it will simply restart the process over here. And if they actually satisfied with this budget, they can simply call this phone number as well. So if they tap on this button, it simply open this particular phone number, and they can simply call it. So that is how easy it's to provide instant code. So if you have any questions on this, let me know. Thank you.